Alright, this video is on how to fix a front axle 4x4 actuator on a 1996 GMC or Chevy truck. The plunger don't come out no more on this, so I'm going to fix. This is just a woods truck I'm doing this to because I use it all the time in the woods, pulling logs out. Well, my four-wheel drive quit on it, now it's worthless. So I'm going to fix it so it stays in all the time. Here's the actuator. I drilled some holes in there. That's for my JB weld to have a place to bond through. And then I cut a piece of PVC stuff, which I'm going to stick down in here like that. And I'm going to JB weld it in. And then when I go up to the truck, I left this long enough that as I'm sticking it in the hole, I'll cut it off right there where that mark is how far the plunger actually comes out, but I don't know how far it actually goes inside there to move that fork. But I got this extra long so I can just cut it where I want to. After that JB weld hardens, I'll just screw that in, and then you won't have to plug this in no more, because it's going to be, when you thread this back in that pumpkin housing on the front 4x4 axle, it'll be in four-wheel drive all the time, unless you put it in two-wheel drive, but the axles will be still spinning up there, but it won't be engaged unless you engage it. But it'll be in four-wheel drive all the time with this method. Alright, thanks for watching.